Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the if function in Excel. It's our simple data, student with their marks. We are going to put a formula in column E under status to determine if the value in column D is more or equal to 50. Let's get started. Formula this formula start with if. Open the parentheses. For our formula to check. This formula check if the value in column D is more or equal to 50. If it's true, you will return pass. We're putting this the word pass between the quotation marks, otherwise it will return an error. If this condition is true, it will return pass. If it's not, it will return failed. You also put it between the quotation marks. Let's close the parentheses and press equal. There you go. Let's drag it down. You see, for Albert is less than 40, he returned failed. For Charles, he got 30, he returned failed. But for John, 68 pass, Peter 63 pass, and David 80 pass. That is all for today. You can go back to the formula, you can see it properly. Good. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.